toner comparison between Beauty of Johnson Glow Replenishing Rice Milk and Anua Rice 70 Plus Ceramide. Also, rice toner. Yes, both rice toner. Beauty of Johnson. And as you can see, I'm running out of Beauty of Johnson toner. This one, I recommend it to oily skin. Combination to oily skin, and sa daytime ko siya ginagamit kung meron kayong dalawang toner na ganito. Pero kung okay din naman ito lang ang toner nyo, pwede rin sa day and night. And this one is pwede rin sa day and night, pero mas maganda siya sa gabi. Marirecommend ko siya sa combination to dry skin. O pipiliin ako kung mag-stick ako kung kanino. Obviously, dito sa Anua, dahil naka-second bottle na ako at nagustuhan ko siya, bumili ulit ako. Kasabay sila. So, this Beauty of Johnson, I'm using at daytime, and this one is I'm using at nighttime. Both are good, but I prefer Anua. Let's try the consistency of both toners. This Beauty of Johnson toner has a very watery consistency, super runny. And this Anua toner is thicker but not heavy thick, more milky texture, less runny. Anua toner gives me way more glow compared to Beauty of Johnson.